Welcome to SCORE, our online enrolment platform. Before you start making enrolments, you'll need to create an enroller account. An enroller can be anyone over the age of 18. This could be a parent or guardian, teacher, school administrator, or an adult learner. In this video, we will show you how to create an account. First, visit SCORE at score.ameb.edu.au and click on Login. Next, click on Create an Account here. Then, confirm that you are 18 or over to be taken to the registration form. Choose your country of residence. Then, choose your state or territory. Some states and territories use sites other than SCORE for enrolments. To check if this applies to you, click on Check if I'm in the right place. Enter your enroller type and your full name. Add your contact details. You'll need to list at least one phone number and an email address which will be used as your username for SCORE. Select a password. Your password will need to include both upper and lowercase letters, and at least one number. When you click Submit, a verification number will be sent to your email address. Keep an eye out for this email. Once you verify your account, you will be logged into SCORE automatically. Now that you have an account, let's look at the enroller dashboard. The menu on the left side of the screen shows all the actions you can take within your account. The dashboard is the home page, which you see when you first log in. My Enrolments shows the details of all your current and previous enrolments, sorted by type of enrolment, including practical or theory exams, or online courses. Enroll Now is for making new enrolments. Clicking on this will take you to the enrolment form. This is also accessible from the Enroll Now button on the dashboard. My Account shows the details of your profile, transactions, addresses, and account security. School Pay is a feature that enables schools to pay by invoice for their enrolments rather than using a credit card. The application form for School Pay is found on this page. The next time you come back to SCORE, go to the Login page. Enter your email address and password to log into your enroller account. Candidates can also access their dashboard from the Login page using their enrolment key and PIN. To learn more about making an enrolment, watch the next video, Enrolling a Candidate on SCORE.